Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create the super cute Pikachu hat on Dress to Impress. Select these ears and color the first toggle to black and the second one to yellow. Second one, sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Then I'm going to select this to the color yellow. Toggle it to the second one. Then I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select on head for that. And I'm going to color the first one yellow and the second one to black. Then I'm going to select these and I'm going to toggle it to the third one to the black one. Then I'm going to select this and I'm going to color it yellow. And I'm going to select no ears for that. Then I'm going to select this, toggle it to this one above head, and I'm going to color it red. That is how you can create a cute Pikachu hat. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!